Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize franchise opportunities with Subway. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize franchise opportunities with Subway, start by researching the brand thoroughly. Understand Subway's franchise model and its requirements. Visit the official Subway franchise website for detailed information. Download the franchise disclosure document, known as the FDD. Examine the FDD carefully to identify initial investment costs and ongoing fees. Assess the financial requirements to ensure you meet the minimum capital needed. Consider availability in your desired location by checking with Subway's franchise development team. Reach out to existing Subway franchise owners for insights on their experiences. Evaluate the training and support offered by Subway to its franchisees. Prepare a solid business plan that includes market analysis and financial projections. Consider the demographics of your chosen location to target potential customers effectively. Complete the franchise application form available on the Subway website. Submit the application along with any required documentation and fees. Await feedback from Subway's franchise development team regarding your application. Once approved, review the franchise agreement thoroughly before signing. Attend the training program provided by Subway to understand operations and management. Prepare your store location by adhering to Subway's design guidelines and standards. Begin marketing initiatives leading up to your grand opening to attract customers. Launch your Subway franchise with a well-planned grand opening event to create buzz. Continuously evaluate business performance and seek ways to improve operations. Stay connected with Subway Corporate for updates on promotions and best practices. Engage with your local community to build brand loyalty and customer relationships. Monitor industry trends to adjust your strategies as needed for ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.